Which one, Yazzie? Study time.
What is the name of this, Yama? What is the name of this?
Hello guys, lalabas ako, mamamalengke. Pupunta kami ng fish market. Samahan nyo kami guys, mamalengke sa fish market. See you there! Bye-bye!
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa... Where area mo?
In the fish market.
What we are going to buy?
Fish.
Fish. You want grilled fish?
Yeah.
We will buy fish and grilling. We are waiting for Baba and Pasha. Baba and Pasha is there.
And I bring my new scooter that's singing Let It Go. And I see Yasin Pasha.
Yamor has a new scooter. Hi Yasin.
And Papa.
Okay, let's go to Baba. Can see backfish. Fish. Fresh fish. Fresh fish. You see fish? Touch it. We are in the fish market, guys, and Yamor is. Look, this is all fishing boat. You see that, Yamor? That is all fishing boat.
One right there.
This is the fish market, guys.
Annie,
Uh,
you can see it more better.
yeah, it's windy today, huh? I see a duck egg. Let's do it. We find, guys, a duck egg. I will make salty egg. You see, guys, they have a duck egg.
Very good. Don't. What did they have?
Rock salt.
Salt.
Yeah.
They sold and then? Mommy sold that? Sold? Mommy sold.
Okay.
Not swimming that much.
Maybe he's sleeping.
Annie.
Oh, yes, look. Cute.
Oh,
This,
look at this cup.
yeah, that is for water. Baba will buy.
Turkish is...
Really?
yes.
You will give us a good discount.
Good discount.
Wow, this one is very cute. The color, look, purple.
Annie.
Yes.
No other color,
Yeah.
brother? Best black? No other? Black only. All black.
There's stuff.
Oh, there is also some here. Accessories.
There, you will put it inside.
Ito yung mga pagkain ng fish, guys. Dry fish.
Put this inside for the fish is swimming and then.
Yeah, look, MJ is preparing now.
They are
See,
preparing.
MJ is
He's making
the
setup
pump.
now. Wow. Yancy, you want to have fish? Ask maybe Amja
The
has.
light is like that.
Oh.
Look, it's LED, the
Ah,
different
okay.
one. Okay.
Huh? Baba is holding the aquarium. We buy aquarium fish. We will set up this one in the home, and the fish is here, guys. It's in the plastic, you see? Yeah. Where is your green fish? Oh, yes, you have a green fish. Yay! Fish! Now, we buy what you buy, Yazzie? Colorful fishes? Green! Set up namin mamaya, guys, yung aquarium. So, see you later! Bye! Oops! Ay! Meron pala ako, guys, na ano. Meron pala akong nahanap na tawag dito? Egg duck. Gagawa tayo ng ano mga gagawin ko? Gagawa tayo ng salted egg. So, abangan nyo guys tong salted egg natin kasi may nahanap akong egg duck. Ayan, masarap yun for sure. So, magbuburo tayo ng itlog na maalat. Ayan. Say bye-bye to the vlog. Bye! See you later! Say bye! See you later! Bye. See you later. Refill water. Adi, let's put the... Wow. You see? Yeah. All the way. Hi, fishes. Enjoy your new house, fishes. No. We will put a real food. Give me this one. We will put a real food.
No.
Hi, fish. Enjoy your new home, fishes. Yahoo! Look. The cute fish here. Oh, so cute fishes.
Okay, we will keep one.
Yamor is feeding her fishes and also yes.
That's enough.
No problem, not yet 1 teaspoon. Yay! They are eating?
Yeah.
Are they
They're
eating?
taking tiny little small bites. They're taking small bites.
Maybe you need to crack it while you are putting inside. Yeah, like that. Look, oh, Baba, what she's doing. Wow! Papa is feeding us little.
Enough, that much finish. Too much already.
No.
Enough, that much.
Yeah, see, look, they are eating now.
But that little green.
Yamor, are you happy with your fish?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Now, take care for them, okay?
Okay.
Don't let them die, okay? Fishes!
I think some of the small ones can hide in that yellow area.
Fishes, enjoy your new home. Please be good for Yamor and Yasi. And grow until big fish, and we will fry you. You will.
Small cut. That's why he's looking too much. But it's very small.
1 hour later.
We're going to pour this solution to here. Yasi, where is your other fish?
All the other fishes died, but inside here the water is not clear. But we only have 1 fish left, and so.
How many fishes you have before?
A lot, I think, but I don't know how many.
12.
Yeah, there's 12 fish.
12 or 14, Baba? 13? 13.
There's 13.
Guys, you know we have a 13 fishes before when we buy this new one, but
Yeah, but although
every day some fishes
yeah, the
die.
first day we get it and we
How?
sleep and it's morning 2 fish die. We buy there was 2 big ones, but one big one die and 1 small one die.
And then the other day, 1. The next day again, 2.
All the other days, all the other ones die, and then like 3 fish died before the same day.
Yeah, all the small fishes die, right?
Yeah.
So,
All the big fishes and all the small fishes, but not all of them. Only 1 big fish left, and there's even some toy fishes inside.
are you sad that the fishes die, Amor? Are you sad?
No.
Why? You're not sad? Your fish is gone?
No.
Why? Bakit ba again you want?
I just keep playing.
Guys, naglinis ako ng aquarium nila. So nilinisan ko at pinalitan ko yung tubig kasi yung tubig niya ay color brown na, ganito ng kulay niya, parang tsaa. So I don't know because it's our first time to have this fish. So nilagay ko muna sa dyan para hindi siya ma-shock. So mamaya-maya ililipat natin siya dito sa bahay niya. Ito pala guys, tips para sa mga bagong mag-aalaga ng fish or bagong magkakaroon ng fish pet.
pag daw bumili kayo ng bagong aquarium at kakaset nyo yung aquarium, wag daw ilalagay muna yung fish. So, let the aquarium work for a few hours, 3 to 6 hours, bago nyo ilagay yung bagong fish. Kasi daw maninibago yung fish dun sa bahay niya. Masyashock daw yung fish, may stress daw siya. O, diba? Ni-research ko siya bakit namatay. Everyday namamatay yung fish. Tag isa, dalawa, hanggang wala nang natira. In 2 weeks time, siya na lang ang natira guys. Matira matibay. Si Goldie na lang ang naiwan, nag-iisa.